Look at my background. Oh fuck! Look at this. Look at this. So this is my vlog is all ongoing. Holy shit! Three. Hold on. I'm getting confused. My vlogger, my vlog viewers. I'm gonna close this vlog because now I'm going to do the Sunday swings. Let's do. Signing off. Hello, and welcome back, guys. We are back in the game, and guess what? Where is my goggle? We're going to use the goggle today to do the motherfucking trading analysis in this beautiful environment. Look at this. I came on top of the mountain to just to see can I able to do the trading analysis on top of the mountain. It is brilliantly beautiful. And my hairs, just fuck off my hairs. But look at this. This right there. And guess what? This is a bike which I have come on. This is a bike. Oh my goodness. This looks brilliant. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at this bike. Like, I just love this bike, but this bike is bullshit. This bike had just broken with me. I was driving and this clutch just stopped working, and I'm like, fuck, I'm right now in fifth gear. How in the world I can reduce the gear? And then I have to reduce the gear anyhow. And then I just like close the fucking engine. I was like, fuck, something is wrong. And I just took it side. It's a bullshit bike, But the bike looks beautiful, and this is a cheap. This bike is expensive a lot. It cost me $250,000, but this bike is made with the cheap company. So even if it's expensive bike, who make it's a cheap company, right? It's not a BMW, it's not a Mercedes, it's not a luxurious company bike. Oh my, just got the views, the background. Fuck man, look at this background. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm gonna reduce this because I am very hard to. No, it's not hard. It's very easy to see the screen. But you know, fuck it. We don't give a fuck. Let's do the trading analysis, brother, my dear and sister. This is the. Wait, let me check before we start the trading analysis. I'm actually keeping my laptop right here, over here, on this beautiful set. Let me keep it beautiful. All right, so mic is check. We can see the mic. Recording is on. Check. Before we do it, let me just close this parking light because it's just going to. Also, let me just remove the keys as well, so that I will be having keys of my bike. Beautiful, isn't it? So, holy shit, this is brilliant, man. This is my dream is getting true, man. Look at this. And now today, I'm going to do the commentary. I'm going to do commentary. We're going more deep into this. Before we do anything, I wanna see is my mic is getting checked. Second thing is recording is on. Third thing is timer is on. The fourth thing is going to be the couple coming, brother. Couple coming. I know. I'm having my couple with me. The trading is with me. Okay, the screen is getting shared as well. Camera is on. Beautiful. All right, brother. We are back. We are back in the game. Okay. I really don't know. Can I shout over here? Like the way I'm talking right now is the way I'm talking right now. There's no one over here. We'll see if anyone says, "Hey, speak it slow." Then we'll speak it slow. Until that, it's fucking shout. Okay, so no. Before we do that, let's start with section 1. We're going to start with a section. Yeah, we're going to start with section 1, brother. Oh, look at the views, man. Views, look at this. 31,000 views. People are watching me like crazy. Trading plan tracking. Here we go. Let's do this. Are you ready, boys, to get into to predict the $1 trillion market with me? We'll back. We'll do this together. So this is what it's going to be look like, and oh my god, my camera is taking like half of the screen is getting covered up by my camera. I need to reduce my camera right there, so let me just reduce it. have I reduced it perfectly? This is where the camera is getting consumed, so this is where the camera is getting consumed, this is where the camera is getting consumed. That means you can see the series. So let me zoom it as well. So this is where the camera is, I don't know. Yeah, let's read it. So this video has got divided into 3 sections, no, actually 4 sections. The first section is going to be the trading plan reading. That's pretty much it. It's section 1, the trading plan, reading of the trading plan. The second section is going to be the before and after. We have created something before we start the movement, and before we start the market, and after where the market got ends. And the third section is going to be the pure technical analysis of the currencies which you are going to take the trades. Technically, I have just started and I haven't even done any analysis, so we're literally going to see every single currency on the market, on the forex market, and we'll shortlist the currencies which is we are interested in the next trade. That's the fourth section, and that's the third section, and the fourth section. Oh my God, this sun is coming up like anything, man. This sun is like, that was a brilliant place. Can I take this? Can I? My goodness, this is so much sun right here. And fuck it, man. Let's do this. Let's get tan. Let's get this. Let's get the still board. Let's get motherfucking tan right there. So fourth section is going to be summary of the whole. The fourth section is going to be the summary of the whole video. Technically, I will be talking about in the summary, that is what trades I'm looking into, why I'm looking into that, and that's basically is it. Let's start with the section 1. Trading success sheet. We're going to read this one page. That's it. This is only the page we will have. We're going to read this whole thing. This is what our trading success sheet. We need to remind the trading success sheet. Let's start. Let's start with section 1 more. Let's start with section 1, my boys. Let's start. Trading success sheet. The goal is to become financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which is equivalent to $1,000, which is equivalent to 84,000 INR approximately. So by following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to $4,800, which is equivalent to 3,98,400 INR. So now let me just clear this. 90% of viewers will be like, holy shit, 3,98,000. Holy, how much you're making? It's not about how much I'm making. It's not about how much we can go more into this. That's what the main focus we should be looking into. I will tell you how much I'm making. I'm making fucking zero. I'm fucking broke trader. My strategy is not working. This is bullshit. This is a time pass. Actually, let me just be honest with you, brother. We have started with a $100,000 account, and we are right now at this position. Okay, and we were going to be at this position, but something happens. I just gone out of a trading plan as a fucking motherfucking loss a lot, and right now I'm pretty much 7.7% drawdown. So only $300 is remaining from my $100,000 portfolio. Yeah, it's crazy. And guess what? I know exactly why I did the loss, and I know exactly how I can cope up with that. That is how we're going to do this. It's not about the strategy doesn't work. It's about I just gone out of the strategy. So if I'm going to go out of the strategy, that means I'm going to lose money a lot, which is what happens. So this is a long-term goal, which is what we are heading towards, which is having 400 accounts, meaning over $300,000 per account, which is total of $1.2 million, and making 4.8% of $1.2 million is equals to $57,000, is equals to 47,80,800 INR per month without investment. This is what we are going to go for. Next is trading plan. So this is trade per week is going to be one trade. Risk per trade is going to 0.1%. New risk plan is goes to $100. We're going to risks until we at least make $200-300 where we can use that $200-300 and go all in with the next trade. That is how we can go back to the break even. We just need 3 trades. I mean, this is going to be like shock for you. We just need $100 and we just need 3 to 4 trades of winning trades. If we got that, brother, then that's a fucking salute. We're going to go back to the break even, which is of $8,700. That's what we want. That's what we just need. 3 to 4 profitable trades with only 1:2. That's it, and that is what I am right now working on to. So let's start with this. So over here, the risks new trading plan is $100 and risks reward is goes to 1:2. Win rate is going to 90% the whole month. Blah blah blah.
It's 9:45.
This is what the whole trading plan looks like. Basically, what you can understand, we're going to just take one trade per week, and we're going to risk only $100 into that. That's pretty much is it. You know what? I want, I want my, I want to see who is coming back from behind me. Just a second. I'll just, I will just do like this, so that I will be understanding. I have understandable of who's actually coming behind me, from behind me. I can see from the mirrors. Yeah, pretty much I can fucking see from the mirrors. If you see, yeah, I can see from the mirrors who is actually coming from behind from me to protect myself, because I just want to protect myself. I don't want to get killed. Let me just adjust the mirrors. Yeah, because I'm gonna be a big guy. Yeah, little bit. We need little bit of. I'm gonna be big guy, brother. I'm motherfucking big guy. Oh man, this is brutally not good. How about this? Holy shit, it's not even working. Just a second, boys. I don't wanna get messed up. Yeah, I can clearly see. Fuck. I can clearly see who's coming back from behind me, and I can clearly see who's coming from ahead of me. So this is a protection system I wanted to hide. I don't have bodyguard today with me, so I need to take care of myself. So brother, let me just confirm once again, is everything is good? Everything is good. Everything is good. Why this bike is not okay? Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Camera is perfect. Done. We'll increase the camera now a little bit so we can get this shit done. Oh. Okay. So now progress sheet is look like we are having this $100,000. So right now we are down. This week, this week I haven't finished yet. This week we are down $100, and guess what? Every single currency which I have predicted has done the thing which I wanted. Exactly done the things which I wanted. But the currency, only one currency I shortlist, which halfly done and then hit my stop loss. So holy shit! Oh fuck, man! At one time I just saw this. At one time I just saw like $91,000. Have I lost this motherfucking account? And then I was like, holy shit! This is not the actual account. This is just the competition account. We just got expired yesterday. So this is actually my account. Looks like 92,312. If you can see, 93,000. Yeah. So we just have $312 in our hand. Let me just 92,312.27. 92,312.27. So we are down nearly. Let's open this. Let's open the portfolio. Dashboard account. Dashboard. Login. We're logging in. Okay, we can see right here as well. This is my funded account, so we are down minus 7.6%. Okay, no problem. 7.67%. 7.67%. So max loss is about now $312 is remaining in our account. If you can see, 312.27. 312.27, and we need this much to come back to the break even. 7,687. 7,687.73. Brilliant. This is how our account looks like, and now this is going to be story when I will be finishing my lectures, which is going to be pretty much 1 or 2 weeks maximum. Once that 1 or 2 week is done, no one is going to stop me, my video brother. No one is going to stop me. Maximum I can give 3 weeks. I just don't give more than that, but maximum 3 weeks. I will be able to finish 22 to 2023 analysis videos, and that is what actually we have, in pipeline of more. How much it is? 18 videos are still remaining. If we just go for one more day, one video per day, I think so we can finish in 18 days. And if we just do 2 videos per day, we can just finish half of it, like 8 1 8 to 16, 7 8 days. Within 7 8 days, that is pretty much 2 weeks. And after the last third week is going to be $100 to $1 million on challenge flip, where I will be understanding how my mentor actually flip the $100 into $1 million within this 90 days. It's pretty much, that is where I will be understanding how I can flip this account. This is brilliant. This is going to be brilliant right now. And once we have finished that, I will be a successful graduation from how to take the trades. And the next is how I can flip the account from small dollar to big dollar. How I can make the big dollar from the small dollar account. That's what we're going to learn. Once that done, we're going to we're just going to keep following up, and we're just going to get back to the break even. I probably guess so within 30 days. So within this week, this month is May, and I probably guess so 3 weeks is going to get considered. So May, June, at the end of the June, I will be financially free. I will be making nearly your double salary, and I will be able to make my mom dad resign the job. That's what my main focus is. So June, end of the June, at the 30 June, I will be able to be what I want to. And in July I can shift to Dubai or New York or somewhere else. I just want to see success. I just want to be around the most successful. I also going to. That's pretty much planned. So let's add the. This is week 18. So we have down $100 minus $100. Pretty much. So it's $8 plus $100 minus $100. I took the trade which goes in loss, but other currencies which I have predicted which goes in profit. That's what this week looks like. So now the next week 18 19, from 4 May to 8 May, from 4 May 2026 to 8 May 2026. Our this week target is going to be make next week, sorry, not this week. This week just a Saturday. Next week is going to start in the next week, pretty much 2 days after. So let's do this. 4 May to 8 May, and I believe we can easily achieve this, because now I'm practicing a lot more patterns is getting from under me. So we can do this, I mean, we have to do this. There is no other fucking option we have. Let me just, how about this? Oh my just god, How about this? How about this? How about this? Or how about this? No, if I just go back, we won't be able to see me. How about this? Yeah. Trees are coming. I'm also coming. Let's get motherfucking on. Yeah. So let's do this. Let's do this trading analysis, my dear brother and their sisters. Holy shit. No. Brother and sisters. I'm joking. I'm motherfucking joking. I'm a joker. Alright, so before okay, just a second, man. This is coming in middle of the road. Before we start, let me just adjust the camera again, just to make sure. Yeah. Alright, so let's go. We have finished the section 1. The section 1 of this video got finished. The section 1 of the video was just to read the trading plan and updating the trading plan, which we have done. Now let's go to the section 2, man. There is so much sun, man. There is so much sun. I need to go out. I wanted to go there, but no one is there to help me to make this heavy bike into double stand. If I got someone, then I will just pull the help. If I don't, then I have to stick to this. Alright, so the section 1 is done. Let's go for the next section. Section 2. The section 2 of this video is going to be the before. Section 2 of this video is going to be the before and the after. So this bullshit. Before and after. Let's do the before and after. So I have predicted the market and uploaded on this YouTube channel, where my YouTube channel looks like this. Is my YouTube channel looks like. So 27. What was the week this week? Holy shit. Mac is getting holy man. Why in the world this is getting hang? Mac is getting hang, brother. Hang. 3 May. 1 May over here. This is the Sunday swings we're looking for. This is what I have predicted. So I just don't want to talk like, hey, I have predicted this and that and that. I want to show you. I want to motherfucking show you that this is what I said. 3, 2, mic check, camera check, recording is on check, screen is getting shared. Previously we saw that Mac was getting hang, and which is not good at all. That's why I just restarted the laptop again, and we're back again. Thank God I saw that it is getting hang, or else all the next video was going to be wasted, because it wasn't even moving. No screen is what is getting shared, nothing. So now let's see this before and after. Alright, before I start, I want to see my camera is, my camera is consuming right here. I need to reduce it, because I want to show you the before and after, because we are starting the place where my camera is getting consumed right here. I just can't able to see my camera, in this. Look at this. Alright, so welcome back, guys. So holy shit, lighting what? Just a second. Just stop this, and this. Done. So now we are going to start with the section 2, that is a before and after. So let's see what I have predicted before the market opens. Let's see. This looks like a picture perfect, but in GBCAT, everything looks messy. Like, 27 April to 1 May, right? 27 April to 1 May. That is just finished. Let's start with this. What do you look at this? In EuroCAD, when the first reaction is same, we created the dozy. Yeah. The only thing that is turning me off, that is this. I want this. Okay, when I started doing analysis. Euro USD also looks good, and ZEG. Okay, the Euro USD. Let's talk with somewhere. GBP CAD. I said GBP CAD. It is going to go up. Look at this. As well. But there was an issue with GBP CAD. I didn't take that because it was not looking. It was looking good, but it was not. I will explain you why. The exploration as well. How about this? The technical is showing that it is going to go up. Yeah, exactly. Technicals are always getting in line with my prediction. Now we are waiting for buying. No, this is absolutely showing me that it's going to go up. The only thing is that there is an obstacle in this in between profits. That's was the only thing which we also shifted. Tauzi EMA is also daily EMA. 4 hours also EMA having brilliant trade. Only coin is just a take profit. So I wait. Would you look at this? Just a GBP CAD was not having a take profit. That's why I haven't took the trade. And would you look at that? Would you fucking look at this? This is the only thing which actually makes me stop losing money. Just because of I have stopped taking the trades which are not good. Seriously, that's what my main goal is. If the trade doesn't make sense, it should not take. If it makes sense, it should take. That's pretty much literally is it. Now this is getting fucking hang. This is fucking getting hang. I hate fucking things. का बरं हे हँग का होतं एवढं लाईक असं काय झालं याच्यामध्ये की हँग व्हायला लागले लाईक वाय असं लाईक वाय इन द वर्ल्ड इज फकिंग गेटिंग हँग यार दिस इज मॅक इट शुडंट हँग दॅट्स वाय don't like expensive things. No man, I like expensive things because even if it is getting hang, it is responsive. Not like a Windows, it just get hang and it just like doesn't even move a needle. Something is behind. No. Okay, so I think so. It should. Yeah, it is bit laggy. Why in the world this is fucking laggy? No, all of the tabs are like closed like anything. Let's just a second. How about this? Let's quit this. Other than this, everything is good. This is mic is getting recorded. This is stop, and this timer is also on. My camera is also on. Screen is also getting share. Let's continue. So just because of this GBP CAD was the obstacles in the take profit, because whenever we are under we're selling, and whenever we are under we're selling, whenever we are under we're selling, whenever we are above we're buying, and we were under, and there that was a take profit. That was the only con I was having. And look at this. The market have gone nowhere. Doesn't it make sense? This is fucking crazy, man. This is only a thing which actually stop losing me money on this bullshit trades, because it was brilliantly beautiful. It was beautiful because we got the 4-hour shift of structure right here. If 4 hours shifted the structure, someone is coming from behind, I can literally unable to see. Let me just see it clearly. Okay, perfect. So the 4 hours shifted bullish, we would end up taking this trade, and what will be happen? Zoom, instant loss. That is why I have avoided such type of trades. So literally every single thing was awesome. Look at this. I have written over here. I'm ready for 10:30 AM entry. I was ready to pull the trigger just because of it was just not making sense. I haven't took the trade, and it is really recorded on these videos. Let me just see. It is still hanging a lot. If it is hanging, please tell me in a comment, man. To find the exact same trade with a very big take profit. Euro USD. This right there is also a great trade, but it is also a great trade where there is a very big take profit opportunity. This looks solid to me as well. Just a second, I'm getting visible, right? Fuck, this got stuck. This bullshit motherfucking thing got stuck here. How in the world I will be able to do this?
It's 10:15.
कसं काय चालणार आहे असं? कसं काय चालणार? आणि असं का होतंय? Like I'm just going to show this bullshit motherfucking Mac is getting for the fucking hang. Why? How? I don't motherfucking know. I'm still. And looks good to me as well. Euro USD also looks good, and so Euro USD I was looking to take the sell trade, and guess what? I took the sell trade and we hit the stop loss. We brilliantly hit the stop loss, man. And guess what? The trade. Holy shit! Wait a minute. This is getting share, right? And I'm also visible, right? Now I'm in my mind it is fear now, because I literally wasted 1 to 2 minutes of talking with the screen which is not even moving. See, I took the trade when a shift of structure happens, and this was a take profit. But the thing is, whenever we are above this area, we are going up. Whenever we are going up above, we're going up. Whenever we are above, we're going up. Whenever we end up, we're selling. So this could be the area, and also the EMA was there in middle of the take profit over here. It is going to reverse, man. This is like, I haven't even saw this issue. I'm in like, the fuck is this? This was a issue should get noticed by me. You know, this was not even a correct take profit we were having, because the take profit is right here, and the EMA and this structure is going to come and mess up in middle of the things. It was meant to get reversed, brother. I have took the wrong trade. So what I can do is this will be the, no, that's really dangerous right there. This will be the structure. Okay, so over here we shifted bearish, and there we will be taking the trade. He hang ka hota hai, it shouldn't hang, it motherfucking shouldn't hang. Okay, what is the encoder overload, consider turning down the system video setting, or काय म्हणते? Is that because of the laptop is getting, yeah, this laptop is getting overheat, my dear brother. This laptop is getting overheat. 4 wheels coming from behind me, and we're doing good. Yeah, I just have the weird feeling because of I am a beautiful guy, and I can get kidnapped because I have a beautiful information. This is getting overheated. This is going to make sense, man. So this will be the our take profit. Either this will be our take profit. So rather taking the trade over here, we should be taking the trade right here. When we got the retracement and when we got the shift of structure, this will be our adding 5 pips in that. Still it will be not out. Still, yeah, there was no trade, man. There was no fucking trade. I just took the wrong trade. That's what we can say right now. Sun is coming, man. The sun is coming. We just don't have the proper. Sun is coming. Don't have the proper area. No sun area. It's getting, yeah. Now becomes smooth. Look at this. Look at this smoothness. Yeah. Now becomes smooth. It's just like a matter of time. It just gets smooth. I'm still talking about trading, motherfuckers. What are you thinking? Bullshit, shut up. Alright, so Euro USD, we took the trade, we hit the stop loss, and we know exactly why we hit the stop loss. We're not going to repeat that same exact mistake. How in the world I have done this mistake? That means I'm just not being more precise, more concentrative. I am learning more of this. JPY. This is not even such type of trades exclude. So because of NZD I didn't like the things. I have predicted that it is going to go up from here. Why in the world I have discarded, because it is too on top and whatnot, it was not making sense. Still my prediction was just going to go up, and I have discarded that currency for taking the trade because it was not even making sense. So let's see, does the NZD have done the things which we have predicted or not? Holy shit, holy fucking shit, we have got loss over here. Holy fucking shit, we have literally have avoided the loss right here. Crazy, man, this is crazy, this is fucking crazy, you know. Monday prediction was correct. From here to here it is going to go up, and it is then you know, it should be keep going up, but it then reverse. That's why in the world I haven't took this trade, man. This was so fucking correct. I was waiting for the break and retest. We got the exact retest of this. Actually, we would end up making money from over here if we close the trade right here. We got the exact break and retest. We got the retest right here. The entry could be right here. The stop loss is going to be pretty much somewhere down there. Skipping I everywhere. Stop loss will be somewhere down there, and I believe oh shit, I hate this. I hate this. I hate this feature of the it's got behind. Oh no. No, 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 no. I will not take this trade, my dear brother. Because we shifted bearish in this pullback, and then we'll shift bullish over here. This will be the stop loss. This will be this. And if we got 1:2 over here, then we'll take the trade. Yeah, we got 1:2. Bam. Hit the motherfucking tick profit. But I haven't took this trade because we have discarded this currency. You know why? Just because we are so on top. We are so fucking on top. It's just like it just like and then push to downside. It's like the last movement that oh man, couples are coming, man. And I'm in the world which is having the couple with the market, the money making machine. But I miss this life. I don't give a fuck about this. Fuck off. I'm good. So this is it. I will miss the trade, brother. With beautiful miss the trade. We would end up waiting for retracement over here. We'll then having the engulfing candle stop loss right there. Beautiful. So this was a trade we missed, but just because of we are at exactly on so much top, that's why we haven't took the trade. But the prediction was correct. It is going to go up from here to here. Little my lines are also there. And if you wanna listen to my analysis over here, just go and see somewhere in NZDJPY. Somewhere in the line you will see the analysis of NZDJPY currency. So now let's go on the next currency. So we have literally oh no, I just don't want a big screen because my camera will get overlapped. So let's go on the next currency. The top is strong. There is no. Hold on. Because my camera is getting recorded. If I go over here, it's still recording, and if I come over here, it's still recording. The camera tracking is not there. I think so. To buy at the top is strong. If we are having the beautiful, brilliant toes, every single thing which we wanted, and that is everything we want is happening. AUDJPY looks brilliantly good. This is brilliantly good. We just need the daily analysis close below. Once that done, we're good. So we need the AUDJPY. Let's go on AUDJPY, AUDJPY. We were waiting for the daily to get bearish. So we didn't. Oh my god, brother. I missed this trade. Fucking missed this trade. Look at that. I fucking predicted this. Oh god, look at this. I said this is going to get happen. I said, look at this. On weekly time frame, it has created this. Exactly. Look at this. Look at this. 1 day ago, I posted this, and yeah, pretty much I have recorded it on a Saturday, on previous Saturday, and I uploaded yesterday because I forgot that holy shit, this is not uploaded. So I predicted this. I like आता का zoom होता है का गप्प बसना. This is going to get down, and would you look at this? It just fucking came down. It motherfucking came down. Look at that. Isn't that fucking crazy? There was no trade, man. I mean, yeah, we can argue that the prediction was correct, but there was no entry. There is a beautiful view, but the Mac is not giving me the support. It should not get hang. Why in the world it is getting hang? She, two on Mac. No, Mac is beautiful, but it's just getting stuck. It's getting stuck. Do not get stuck. Do not get stuck. Hello in the world. Everything is cool, man. Why in the world is this getting cool? Consider turning down the video setting or no? I don't wanna turn the setting down. I wanna go all in. I wanna I'm talking about trade, bro. I wanna go directly inside the trade because without waiting for confirmation. Mm. We can take this trade when this 4 hours shift of structure, but I will not because we were waiting for the to take the trade. We need to have the two time frame in sync, so either daily or either weekly. With the daily was bullish, so we were waiting for the daily candlestick closer below this box. It closed, but it just directly closed on to take profit. So the prediction was correct, but we won't be able to take the trade. Fucked up.
As well.
Next is
Euro
CAD.
CAD. This is bit tricky down there. There is a limit of the take profit over here. This trade looks solid, but just the take profit thing, so not looking good.
Just because of take profit, I excluded the Euro CAD. I won't took the trade on Euro CAD. In the last Euro CAD. If you just forward the video, you will see able to see that I have excluded all of this and just focus on Euro USD. Okay, so fuck that, we missed this trade.
See, like from where to where we can have the move, right? From here to here. That's it. We're risking a lot more money to just take that small move. No.
So that is only the reason. The take profit is only the reason I have discarded. Movements happen. Movements happen, my dear brother. Someone is there. I'm so sucked up with this. I don't know why, but I'm right now standing in so much sun, which I shouldn't. Now I'm understanding that I should be shifting on that side. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, exactly. I should be shifting on that side, but it will be temporary because sun is going to take over. Fuck it. Let's get tan today. So I was predicting that it is going to go down, it is going to retrace, and it is going to go down exactly what I said. It has happened to the perfection, but I haven't took the trade because the take profit was not making sense. The movement, look at the movement. Like, is this even movement? Yeah, the movement is there, but the actual movement should be up till here. Yeah, someone is coming from here. The actual movement should be coming from over here. Holy shit, that motherfucking couples. So I just haven't took the trade, but the prediction was correct. Yeah, look at this. This is fucking king. I will never took this trade. This is bit choppy. I will wait for the retracement till here. I will never take the trade in middle of the road. That's there. Fucked up, man. I haven't took this trade, and that's very good. I have done, but the prediction was exactly correct. Let's go to next is. Before we check, I need to check is we are doing good. Yeah, recording is on. Ding 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 ding.
Euro and ZD. This looks solid to me. It's a bit tricky counter trade. The take profit, the take profit is going to be
One more couple.
this is what the take profit area is looks like. Yes. It also have a very great take profit range. But the thing is when the daily is going to be bullish, it gonna needs to have a very big retracement to even actually take the trade, which makes sense.
It's 10:30.
Is that
So-
is my fuck?
The take profit seem get very reduced. So the only reason I'm just not interested in this because the take profit, because when the daily is going to be bullish, it's probably half of the take profit is going to be consumed.
Understand that is the only reason I haven't took this trade. Euro NZD. We'll see what has happened, or does that happen? Does that even happen? Euro NZD. Man, there is so much sun is coming on my laptop. That's why it's getting so much hang. Probably what else I can say now? What else I can think on this? Holy shit! Is that? Oh my god, brother! I literally have avoided the loss to the perfection. Literally. literally, oh my goodness, literally have avoided the loss to the perfection. This is going to be the awesome thing ever. I mean, crazy, like, wow, in the world, like, in one currency, just because of there was no take profit, so I haven't took the trade. In the second currency, there was a take profit. Sorry, in the first currency, in whatever it is, in the first currency, I haven't took the trade because there was no take profit. I avoided the stop loss. In second currency, there was no take profit. I have avoided the profits. And in the third currency, there was a take profit. There was also no take profit, no bigger take profit. So I have avoided the profits right there. I mean, I avoided loss right there. Man, look at this. This was brilliant. I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure above these two candles. Then coming back, I mean, then I was literally going to pull the trigger. The 4 hours was god bullish. Every single thing which we want, we got. But the only thing stopped me just because of the take profit. I mean, this is fucking crazy, man. This is fucking crazy. Now I just can't tolerate this much amount of sun, which is going out of my mind. I just won't be able to understand. Like, I just won't be able to work on the frequency which I should be. Let's go down. Let's go somewhere to, have the place where we can do the analysis. Because now I'm just getting fried up. I just don't want to continue this. Either I go home or either I just let me just tell to this. Hello there. So technically what is happening, the sun is just frying me a lot. So I just won't be able to do the analysis. I just won't be able to, there is so much distraction. I'm just not, yeah, I'm just not getting more focused into this. That's why, either I need to find some place where it is the less sun area, or I just go back to the home and just do it at my home. Do this trading analysis at my home. That's pretty much what I can able to think. I don't wanna give up, man. That's only the thing, man. I have came this far just to do the analysis. Because of the sun, I just can't give up. I need to find some place. There is no place, yaar. There is no place. Like, see, there is no place. Even though there are small, tiny. Um, this is look at how in the world I need a shelter. That's all. Because now I just got fried and the sun is so much freaking me out. Let's go home, or else I don't know. Let's say some place where we can where we can get the chow area, non sun area. I think so. I got. We have to go up on terrace. I think I got. So pretty much let's go on. I mean, the upside from over here. We need to go up, but then we won't be able to speak and talk the way we are. I need a alone place. There are so much couples and so much people around there. I don't want that. You know what? Let's go home. It's just not even making sense. Let's go home. And also, the sun is going to get more and more brighter. It's better to go home. And the mom dad will also intense, like, what the fuck he's doing this much time in the mountain alone. So I think so. Let's go home, brother. You're hearing. I'm also talking with camera and with you. Let's go home. Also, my Mac is just getting so much heat because of the sun, direct sun on this, because there is no non-sun area. I just don't have a word for non-sun area, brother. Non-sun area, nonsense area. Let's go home, brother, because now my Mac is getting hang and Mac is getting overheat and it's just getting hang. Look at this. It's getting hang. It was not before. Let's go home. So decided I'm going to go home. I don't want to go home, but I fucking have to, because there is no fucking option, man. We're done. We're good to go. So one more couple. People are coming with the couples and I'm coming with my trading charts. This is my girlfriend. This is my life. This is my mom. This is my dad. Never going to get break up with this. Ever. Let's go home, brother. I'm just getting fried up. Signing off. Yeah, look at this. This got stuck. Signing off. Signing off. Signing off. Signing off. If I'm not gonna lie. If I while going, if I just saw a beautiful place where there is so much nonsense area, I'm going to stop there and I'm going to do the analysis right there. But there is so much distraction. I don't want the distraction a lot. I want like a one go, a place where I can stand or sit. Either I will prefer standing because that just makes me more concentrate. Once that is done, I just don't want to get disturbed for next 1 to 2 hours. That's it. That's pretty much it. Let's go home, and if I see the place, we'll stay. If we don't, then see you at home. Hello and welcome. Oh my god, this background voice is just freaking me out like anything. Before we start, let me check. Mic is check, recording is on, screen is timer is on, and screen is getting share. Perfect, perfect. So let's, yeah, I can. Before, oh shit, my camera. Hold on. My camera, yeah, camera is right here. Fit. Brother, we came back home. Fuck. We came back home, man. It is not good. That experience was not good. I mean, I literally have wasted like my 6 hours. 6 hours. I woke up at 5 o'clock and got ready till 6:30. Leave at 6:30. Reach there at 8 o'clock. In middle of the road, my bike just got stopped working, and that's how. And then I started doing the analysis. It was 10 a.m. and the sun was getting higher and higher. So I reached at home at 11 o'clock. Got ready till 12 o'clock. Sorry, probably gets to 12 o'clock, and then did lunch till 12:30, and then started. Um, then pretty much what I even no, I reach at 12:30 at home. How? And then everything changes, and now it's time 17:03. Let's do the trading analysis. That's no one gives a fuck about what I have done. It's all gives a fuck about what they are going to get, which trades I'm very interested in. Again, before we start, let me check mic. Let me check recording is on. Let me check this, and yeah, we're good to go. Let me just turn off the AC because it's all done. All right. So we were on the what was this currency? Euro NZD. Euro NZD. We'll go on Euro NZD. I have literally avoided the loss to the perfection in Euro NZD. This is crazy, this is like crazy. I will definitely take this trade. We'll recap on what we were looking into.
Take profits in get very reduced. So the only reason I'm just not interested in this because the take profit, because when the daily is going to get bullish, it's probably is half of the take profit is going to get consumed. That is going to retrace, and then from here to here, take profit is not that big than Euro USD. Look at this, and GBP having a British.
Wow, man. Like, wow. Just because of that one reason, of the take profit reason, I haven't took the trade. Every single thing which I was looking at, we got. We got break. We literally got every single. We got break. We got literally have the retracement, and we just didn't do the trade, and that played out in front of our favor, brother. This was an awesome trade, and this was the trade I will be taking all of the time, just because if I have done the correct analysis would avoid me doing this loss, which is great, which means we are growing more and more towards the professional trading season. That's awesome. The next trade,
This this is a brilliant take profits.
AUDJPY. So I was waiting for AUDJPY. Look at this. AUDJPY. We'll go on the AUDJPY. What we are waiting for?
Big take profit. Look at this. This is a brilliant take profits.
Okay, so AUDJPY we're waiting for. Yeah, we have already done this. Next is
Euro NZD,
already done.
USD CAD. This is
That is, see,
don't interested.
I have discarded Euro NZD. Look at
Not
this.
really. Don't interested. USD CAD. This should not be a new trade because it's we need to have we need to look for a lot more how we need to wait for the bullish structure to get formed.
That's why I've discarded what was that currency? USD CAD. Because of this so much janjat, like so much things to see. Man, this cast looks beautiful. So much things to see, so much things to see before we take the trade. That's why I've discarded it. Man, everyone is talking about cloud AI. Something marketing is going on. USD CAD. USD CAD, we'll see. Do we got. Oh my god. Again, I have beautifully avoided the loss to the perfection. Would you look at this? Hmm? Would you look at this? This is the exact. Oh my just god, hold on. Let me just check it out. It's on Monday. From Monday. This Monday started from here. We'll wait for this. 10:30. Yeah, this got bearish. Can we take the trade in this and we will be losing? Yeah, this was a lower high. We shifted bullish. We'll take the trade right here and we easily lost this trade just and just because of we waited to. No, we didn't wait it. We actually discarded this because there are so much things to see. Because it's like a creating the lower low, then it is going to create a lower high to create the new lower low. That's why only the reason I have discarded. So take the trade. I need to create the higher low and then create the higher high and then retrace. Here I will be take the trade. Else I will never gonna take it. That's why it was needing a lot more time. That's why I have discarded this currency, but it plays in my favor. We have literally avoided loss to the perfection. The next is
Wait for the bullish structure should be in front of us. So only thing is coming up in front of me. GB
okay,
CAD.
okay. We have done all of these currencies. So that is the only reason I have discarded every single currency and just took the Euro USD, which tend to work half of the time, but it goes and end up to the stop loss, which is good. Now we should not even take this trade because we were not even having the risk reward ratio. I was predicting that it is going to come up till here, which and I haven't considered that the daily EMA, daily structure, and whatever the other things is going to play up outside of my favor, which is going to hit my stop loss. That's literally was going to save this trade. This was the only thing. So now we have successfully finished the section 2. Now let's start with the section 3 is going to be the pure technical analysis. Every single one is right here to see what I'm going to take the trade in the next week. Brilliant. So let's start with this. Okay, and guess what? I'm just not going to do analysis on only one single currency. I'm going to do all analysis on all of the currencies. If you can see over here, the whatever currency is in Forex, I'm just going to do it. Because so don't worry, your currency is going to get picked up. You just need to find it. Okay. So let's start with a fresh mind. Delete every single thing before you start. Camera is good, mic is on, timer is on, recording is on, screen is getting shared, there is no lagging. Perfect. So now how in the world this got changed? I think so just because of laptop just got overheated. That's why we started lagging. And just forget about the background voice that is happening. The construction work is going on. So let's start with GBP cat. GBP cat. GBP cat. Alright, so let me see how we can go for it. This is a higher high, this is the higher low. We are technically bearish in this movement and we created a new low. No, we are bullish. This right, just don't wanna don't, it will take a lot more time. This right there is a higher high, this right there is the higher low, and now we are still in bullish, but structure is creating the lower low and this is the lower high, and we have retraced the previous structure kind of area, and now we are ready to go to the downside. This is creating a beautiful candlestick. This has created the break. This has created the retest, and now we are ready to go to downside. This week is going to get filled. I believe this is going to get happen. Why in the world I'm not feeling comfortable with this camera? I think so. It should be this camera right here. If I go into zoom this, yeah, camera is perfect. Camera is perfectly set up. I just can't see the camera in when I shifted back to the tab. Just can't see. Is it, I'm having a fear, that holy shit, what if the camera is not working? Okay, so now I am not going to take this trade because my bias is going to be down because this is going to go to the downside. This pretty much is going to create the red candle to the downside like this. So we are looking for selling on the monthly. So I wanted to set my bias to sell, but right here it doesn't look like selling. This has created a lower high. This has created a lower low. This has created a new lower high, and now we are approaching towards the area where we have a lot more structure down there. Like whenever we are above this area of interest, we're buying. Whenever we are above this area of interest, we are buying, above buying, and right now we are above this area of interest. So, and I want to sell. I just can't able to sell, and also we are above this EMA, which is all of the things is saying to me that brother don't sell this right now, because all of the things is saying that it is going to go up, which is not true, which is what monthly is saying that it is going to go down. So I'm going to take the trade based on the monthly. I'm just not going to take the trade based on the weekly time frame because I don't give a this is how it looks like. So that is only the reason. I mean, this is the only reason, but the monthly is saying that it is going to go down, and I just don't want to go away. I mean, go opposite to the monthly time frame because monthly is the king. This all the time frame is the left hand and right hand of the kings. So whatever kings is going to say, all the time frame is going to do. So yeah, I'm just waiting for then 1 week candlestick to close below this candle. Sorry, close below this line. Then it will be practically will be logical to take the sell, because whenever we are under this box we are selling, whenever we are under we're selling, whenever we are under we're selling, and once we candlestick close below this box we'll also sell under the box, and also will sell below this EMA, which makes sense. Which does makes a lot more sense. So right now I'm just not interested. Let's see daily how it looks like. Daily, I believe, yeah, look at this. Why in the world this should pump up to the upside? Why in the world this haven't pump up? Because the monthly is gonna want to take the sell trade. Monthly wanna go down. So it has beautifully created the beautiful lower high to create the new lower low.
It's
I
17:15.
am how much percentage I'm sure that it is going to go down. If I can give the percentage, then it's 95 percentage it is going to go down. But other things I can able to see on the market structure, whenever we are above this area of interest we go up. Right now we are above, we go up. Over here when we came to the area of interest we consolidate a lot more, consolidate and go up. The same exact thing is happening right here, consolidate and pretty much can go up. That is why I just don't like this trade, because one time frame is saying that it is going to go up, and the this is lower time frame are saying that it is ready to go to the upside. Okay, but the higher time frame is saying that it is ready to go down. So I don't want this to take the trade when there is a conflict between the higher time frame and the lower time frame. I just don't like that things. So I'm just going to discard this currency. See you later. Next is Euro USD. Would you look at this? We have hit our stop loss right here, and I'm just not interested in Euro USD. For selling, I'm very much interested. For buying, let me tell you why. Let's just start with the fresh. with a fresh mind. Holy shit, I can see what the things is going to come which you guys can't able to see, because you don't know how to analyze and how to interpret this information. If one, like, get ready to get your aha moment right now. Okay, whenever we are under this area of interest we sell, whenever we are under this area of interest we sell, whenever we are under area of interest we sell. And right now we are under this area of interest, so we should technically keep selling. That is what the high time frame looks like. But there is a very, very big but. What the pattern looks like. What the pattern looks like. A red candle, a, a big. Oh my god, there's so much voices of the construction. It was not earlier, okay? Before I start the video, it was not. But now after start, this, there's so much distraction right there. And I just can't re-record again because I just don't have time. Look at this. We got one red candle, we got one doji candle, and then what happens? We go up. The exact same thing is happening right here, my dear brother. Exact same thing is happening. One red candle, one doji candle. Now we are ready to go to the upside. Isn't that crazy? We're getting the question paper and we literally getting the answer paper as well. Fucking crazy. So you can ask, like, Udesh, are you going to take this trade? Brother, I'll tell you I'm not. Because of the only one reason. Whenever we are under, we're selling. Whenever we are under, we sell. Under we sell, under we sell, under we sell. I just don't wanna, this is, if I'm buying this currency, it will be the high risk trade. And I'm not open for the high risk trade right now. I'm not. Let me drink this water. When, holy shit, there is a gases. I need a handkerchief, but I don't have it. Let's use the Indian method. Wipe it to the shirts. I don't know it's an Indian method or not, but it's a method. So to take the buy trade, I'm just waiting for the candlestick closure above this box to take the fucking trade. Oh my god, there is so much background noise and I hate this. I fucking hate this. I'm telling you, I'm gonna hate this a lot. But don't worry, our things is going to get changed. Guess what? We'll be taking the trade once the weekly candlestick is going to get closed above this area of interest. And you know why I say right now that I need a daily candlestick closure, brother? You see what is going to get happen. To close above this box on a daily time frame, it gonna need a whole week, because it's going to create like this, and then it is going to create like this, and then it's going to create like this, and then it is going to create like this, and then it is going to create the full big red candle to the retracement. Then it is going to create a beautiful doji, and oh my god, there is so much, so much, so much, so much on my plate right now. And then we're going to go to the upside. So this is like 1 2 3 4 5, pretty much five candles. So a 1 week candle is equals to 5 daily candles. So it is going to take the whole 1 week. I'm just not ready to take this trade as of now. That's what I wanna see. Next is CAD JPY. Would you look at this? This is a brilliant trade, and I was predicting that it is. Oh my goodness, I did it as well. I was predicting that it is going to go up and touch this box. After that, I don't care what is going to get happen, but it's going to touch this box. And would you look at this? It literally have touched that box above. So in the matter of fact, we can successfully see is that I have missed this beautiful trade. I missed this beautiful trade. Can we even take this trade? Can we? Oh my goodness. Yeah, we can with this beautiful. We did trace. We created a beautiful doji. We created a morning star pattern. We can easily take this trade. Hit the stop. Hit the take profit. Boom. That's pretty much was it. You wanna see the CAD GPY prediction? I will show you. Do not, do not worry. It should be somewhat somewhere right here. If we got it, awesome. If we don't, we don't. Cat JPY. Oh, wait. Oh, we got it. We got it. Don't worry. It's right in front of me.
It's gonna come down and then it's going to go up like anything. But the
See, man, I said this. I predicted this motherfucker trade. I literally predicted this, and it literally. Holy shit! Is that now? Is that Friday? Yeah. Yeah, it said it is going to come down. I wanted this to come down below this box because it will make the bearish and then it's going to get bullish. But the prediction was exactly correct, brother. Now I missed it. Can we take the trade now? I mean, is there any opportunity to take this trade? We can. Let's delete all of this. Okay, let's fucking do it. Can we take the trade? This is like the higher high, there's a higher low, higher high. We create a beautiful retracement. I think so. It's not ready to do anything right now. It's not ready to do anything. I'm just not interested in this. Next is NZDJPY, and pretty much I have also predicted this exact move which is going to get happen, as I shown you in my before and after. I missed this trade right here as well. I'm just not. I have discarded this currency, so I'm just not going to consider the trade. That's pretty much it. Okay. What the fuck is going to get? Let's start with a fresh mind. So now we have created a lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So if we're creating the higher high, it must go up, but it decided to retrace. That means it is not respecting this area and it is going to keep continue to go to the downside till here. And then it is going to go up, which is going to create a beautiful left head and then right shoulder to go to the upside. Beautiful. Can we take the sell trade right here? Probably not. Let's see. This is a bit sideways zone and I'm just not liking it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, a lot sideways zone. But if we get a beautiful trade, who gives a fuck? This is exact same pattern I have saw before in 2024. I think so in January or in December. I think so. Yeah, in January 2025 or December 2024. I think so. It's the first week of January of 2024, 2025. So if we just get the retracement towards this area of interest, do this has the three touches. One. Yeah, we do. Oh, we do have a lot more than three touches. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot good touches. So now I'm just waiting for the price to come up here because I just don't wanna. Oh, there is also one more area of interest which I can miss. This probably is going to be. Let me just do it completely. Hold on. Holy shit. Now it started trading. Sorry. So this is going to be the 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This is going to be other area of interest, but if you can see only weekly time frame, I'm just not interested. Because how in the world it's gonna create the big wick to the weekly candles to the upside. It just can't open the candle right here and make the small wick and go to the downside. It is very illogical to do. This small wick is not even possible to do so on the on the weekly time frame. Is the monthly? Oh, the new month has also started. We need to start with the monthly. Monthly have created beautiful 2 weeks. Okay. So I'm still saying that it is not going to create a small wick. It's gonna create the big wick to the upside, which is what is actually. Let me understand that it is not going to reject from here. If it does, awesome. If it don't, double awesome. I'm just not interested to take the sell trade on the lowest point. I will just wait for the price to come back to the area of interest to take the sell trade to the downside, which is what also is going to get rejection from the EMA as well. Plus, we this is also the 4 hours beautiful area of interest. Whenever we are above this box, we are going up. Above this box, going up. Above box, going up. And under down under box, going down, up, down. So now I'm just waiting for price to come back to the area of interest. How good is this trade is? Let's see. Daily is bearish. I'm just curious about this sideways zone, man. This is the only zone which is not. I'm just not liking this zone, man. But guess what? Guess the fucking what? Our if we are going to take the man. Oh, in the world just got over here. Shits. If you're going to price come up here, if you're going to take the trade right here, our take profit is going to be this. It's completely okay for me, you know. That right there is completely okay for me. Mm, are we going to shortlist? How are technicals? Is the technicals is going to take the sell? Yeah, this looks beautiful. I like the when the technical. I just see it randomly and that technical. I just don't base my trade based on the technicals. But why not to add one more thing into the dish, which is already complicated. So I'm waiting for a daily candlestick to close on the box. Once that happens, then I will be interested to take the sell trade to the downside. That's literally is it. My dear brother, I'm interested in this. But it's going to be the last option. It's not going to be my first option. It's not that clear. It's not that like aha moment. But it is somewhat we can keep it as the last option. So if we see the weekly, let me just recalibrate all of this. Weekly time frame is creating a bullish. So see, this is the bullish. Then the daily time frame is bearish. Okay, and the 4 hours time frame is also bearish. So we got two time frame in sync. That's what we wanted. So we just need the retracement to area of interest. I'm waiting for taking the sell trade. Probability is, it's not high. It's made because of the sideways market. That's only the thing which is stopping me. Else, I'm good. The short list. This is going to be my last option. Okay, this is my last option. Last of PTR. Next currency is GBP or are we cooling? Are we chilling? Yeah. Look at this now. Now it is not even hanging. It's not even hanging. Let me go down to the weekly time frame. Weekly GBP or looks good. I'm just there is no lower high. Holy shit.
It's 17:30.
We retrace, we create the nah man. I'm just not interested as well. Oh my, this looks solid. This does look solid, but should we or should we not? Is the good thing to do? See, whenever we are under, it's selling. Whenever we are under selling, we reverse from here. Okay, this is going to be our take profit. If we're going to take the trade, this is going to be our take profit. Mm-hmm. Actually, take profit is going to be this because I can see a lot of stop movement has happened from here, and the week is off. Week is also there. So for me to take the trade, just let me check the 4 hours. I believe 4 hours is bullish as well. Yeah, I can see what I want is I want the price to candlestick close below this candle, then wait for the retracement and then I will take the trade to the downside, which is also going to make the daily bearish. But the only thing is, again, the take profit. This doesn't look, you know what, this right there doesn't look good. I mean, it looks good, but it doesn't look good. It has like a 50-50 mark. I don't know why the next why the next week is not having the good opportunities. This is a we do have this as an opportunity, but this sucks. Like this is again the last option. How about monthly? Holy shit, monthly is going to go down. Man, I'm gonna take this trip. I'm gonna take this trip. Holy fucking shit. Oh my goodness, look at our take profit area. It is perfectly aligning with the monthly take profit. I got my confidence back. I'm really, really, really interested with this trade. Yeah, we are going to go. Like whatever I see, forgot. No, keep it line, keep it online. Keep it online, we'll keep it online. This is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the lower high, this is the lower low. We retraced the EMA, we retraced this pocket body, now we have beautifully created the engulfing candle to continue to keep this down, go to downside. But the downside movement is not going to be much more, but it will be the movement. Okay, that's what I can able to understand what the market is saying to me. So we can pretty much capture this, pretty much short trade from here to here. It's not that clean, but just because of monthly time frame is extremely cleaner. That is the only reason I'm taking a trade to the downside. Only and only just because of the monthly time frame. Only. Weekly time frame is, like how I want on my weekly time frame. I want that doji or I thought someone came. I thought some like good amount of rejection candle. This is like this is okay weekly engulfing, but there is no lower high. But it's completely okay. It's not even. I mean, hold on. It's completely okay if we're taking the highest trade. But when I see the monthly time frame, I just fall in love with this trade. This trade is going to go down. So let me just do this. Weekly is bearish. Daily is, oh damn, daily is bullish. Daily is bullish. The 4 hours is also bullish now. This is a damn fucking a lot highest risks trade. I'm just basing this trade on the monthly time frame. I just don't have the risk appetite. 4 hours to go bearish. Either 4 hours to go bearish or I need break. I mean retracement to 4 hours AOI. Looking sell probably is again medium. It's not like yo it will do this. Nah. This is not even have a time frame in sync. It's not even have the time frame in sync. We need a daily bearish and the 4 hours bearish. We don't even have that 4 hours bearish. But to even take this trade, it's gonna be most highly risks trade. It's not even. I mean, yeah. I mean, it can be a trade, but it cannot be a trade. I will try to avoid this, but this is going to be my last option again. This is probably going to be my second last option. The last option is going to be NZD JPY. The second last option is going to be the GBP odd. So what I'm actually waiting for, if we got break and retest, awesome. If we didn't got break and retest, and if we just got the retracement from here to here, will be retracement to the for us EMA, and we can take the sell trade right here, keeping the stop loss top above this week's like this, and we'll target for 1:2 and will be good. Yeah, we will be good. If we take the trade like this, then and then only it will it will kinda make sense. It's still not making sense, but it will kinda make sense. I will try to avoid this trade because we don't have two time frame in sync. But if there is a no option, I will take this trade because we are basing this trade based on the monthly time frame. But all the time frames are bullish, like weekly, daily and 4 hours. But we are getting a good price action from this. Like we got the weekly engulfing candle, which is a bit weird. It should create a doji, okay. And the monthly is about to go to the downside because monthly have beautifully retracement. Now we are ready to go to downside. The 4 hours is also bull. 4 hours is fucking bullish. It needs to be bearish, but it's creating the lower low, lower high, lower low pattern. So it's pretty much going to create a lower high, create a doji right here, and then push to the downside. If we got 1 hour bearish, yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is also good. We'll be having the 1 hour EMA as well, because whenever we are under above this EMA we go up, whenever we are under we push to downside. Pretty much we can do the same thing as well over here. 30 minute, ah man, this looks brilliant. 30 minute EMA is also going to be there. Man, this looks solid to me. This looks solid to me. This is going to be high risk trade, and this is going to be my second last currency. But it's not going to be my main currency. If we don't have the good trade than this, then this is going to be my main currency. So we'll update this second last currency, because the only thing, because of the time frame are not in sync. We need at least two time frame bearish, either 4 hours bearish or either daily bearish. I just want one more time, because we already have weekly bearish, we have already one. Now I just need one more time frame to go bearish, that is daily and or the 4 hours. So yeah, next is I'm shortlisted this. I shortlisted this. Now let's go for next Euro JPY. This doesn't look good at all. And okay, we came back to the area of interest. Holy shit. Hey, this is so much noise over here. Delete all of this. Wait a minute, before we do anything, where are we? We are at the top stop. I'm just First of all, I'm going to discard this currency because we are already on a top. The second of all, we just can't take the sell trade because of this is the area where it is ready to go to the upside. Whenever we are above this area of interest, we are going up. Whenever we are above, we're going up, and whenever we are above, we're going up. Right now, we are in middle of this. We haven't even closed down. We haven't even closed up. It's in middle, and plus, we just can't buy this trade. Even if it is upside, we just can't buy this trade, because if we're going to buy, we're going to buy at fucking top is top. It started creating, like what I can see right now. It started creating the sideways. So much noise. I'm just going to. I was getting started creating the sideways market, like to accumulation, if we can say this. It's creating the accumulation. Once it happens, then it is going to go to downside, because we have already on it top. Yeah, look at this. Oh fuck, look at my analysis is getting so much confirmed that it is so good. Look at this. Look at this. We should avoid this trade. Like the whole month, it's still on the same page. There is no trend. It's just fucking sideways. So what is going to get happen? It's going to be more sideways, and it is going to bust to the downside. Why Uddesh? Why downside, brother? Why? See because we are so on top. It needs the retracement to go to the upside. Right now, we are so on top. It gotta need the retracement, either this point or either this point. That is the only reason. The magnet is pulling him from downside, and the buyers are buying right here to push the up price to the upside. And I believe the magnet is going to win, because it's much stronger. Because if it wanted to go up, it's why in the world he has stopped for 3-4 months? Doesn't even make sense. So I'm just not ready, and I'm not interested to take the sell trade right now, just simply because we are right now having the It's like a buying structure, higher low, and now we are retracement to the previous structure area, retracement to the previous structure area of interest, and we are ready to go to the upside. It is, and I know it is not going to go to the upside. It is what the market structure is showing. That is why I'm just not interested, because what I want and what it is showing, it's not even make sense. So I'm just not interested to take the trade in the Euro GBP. Let's go on the Euro GBP. Oh my goodness, would you look at this? It's not ready to go to the downside. You guys are going to click the sell trade and you're going to do the loss. Holy shit. It's time to wipe it. Oh, I do have the handkerchief over there, but it's not good. Either or, I'm just going to wash this shirt. Um, can we go on terrace? Can we? Can we? Can we? Can we? I just don't want distraction. Let's be over here. Monthly time frame. It's pretty much needs this week, this candle week to create right there, and it's going to push it downside. It gonna need to that week. This small week is not uh, okay for this big monthly candle. So why in the world this box is that there? So let's mark the monthly area of interest. Holy shit, so much bigger. Okay, so whenever we are above we buying, under we sell, above we buy. That's pretty much it. Okay, I understand. We can refine this like this. Oh my goodness. Whenever we are under we selling, above we buying, and right now we are right now under, above the EMA, above the structure where whenever we are under we selling, whenever we are under we sell, and right now we are under this box where the selling pressure is going to come. The second thing is going to be the retracement of the weekly EMA, and the third thing is going to be the day. Oh my god, this is the fucking trade I'm looking at it, and this is the beautiful daily is bearish. We are retracement to the previous structure area of the daily where it is beautiful, the order block, whatever you want to say, this is brilliant. And once we retracement to this area, the monthly is going to create the beautiful wick to the upside. You see that this is going to get created. Once that thing is gonna get done, this is going to explode, boom, to the downside. But wait a minute, just a minute. I wanna ask one question. I wanna ask one question right there. Is this is really going to go down? Like really? Like really? It is created the lower low. It has created the lower high, and now it is created the
It's
lower low.
17:45.
ठीक है. It is not haven't. It is not. It haven't created a lower low, because the lower low is going to get created once and only once if it's going to close below this two candle. We haven't closed below this two candle. The one thing is this. The second thing is what we want is to price to come back to this area of interest, create this wick, and then push to the downside. Is this actually a market pattern? Can you able to understand? Is this going to be a market pattern? Is this going to be the market pattern? I mean, yeah, not as well. I don't know. I mean, yeah, it can, because in this pair we can see these is a big wick to the downside, big candle to the upside, big wick to the downside, big candle to the, oh sorry, big wick to the upside, big candle to the downside, big wick to the downside, big candle to the upside, and that is what we're looking, big wick to the upside and big candle to the downside. Okay, that means we can have these things. But the only thing is not liking me that it took the whole week, the whole previous week to come from here to here. And what we want, within a half week, it should come back to this area of interest, and the rest half week, it should come to the downside. I mean, super down. Is this really possible to do? Like, is this really, like, ask a question to yourself? Is it? Is it really? Like, seriously? I don't believe this is going to do this because we took a whole week to come back to the downside. And what we want, that within just a half week, we should come back to the area of interest, and within next half week, we should come back to the starting point and we should go more down. That means what we want, to be honest, is need to create this big candle. Not really. The candlestick is going to be this small, but the rest of the candle is going to be the wick. Are you understanding? If you're understanding, press 1. I mean, comment 1. If you don't, then don't press. Is this actual movement is we are having in this currency? Yeah, we can fit this box. This is a candle we need like the whole moment. I can see the weekly. I mean the this from this week to week. This week, yeah, we can fit it. This week to this. Yeah, this doji is also getting fitted into this box. Means, yeah, we can. This has the potential to create this candle. That means I'm ready to put my money in this currency. This is going to be my number one currency. If I got more good currency than this, I'm interested. Show me. Okay, this is not working. Let me just do the setups. Is this going to work? What the fuck is this? Come on, man. Do. Give me. Give me. Ah, yeah. We go. So we got the weekly time. Monthly. Yeah. Monthly is also saying that it needs to have the retracement towards this area, and then it is ready to push to the downside, which is where the monthly week is going to be there. And this is also the structure. Whenever we are above, we buying. Under we sell. Look at whenever we are under. Look at this. Yeah, this looks solid, man. This looks solid like anything. Whenever we are under, we sell. Above we buy. Under we sell. And over here, this is also getting matched with the EMA. This looks solid for me for taking the trade. This is going to be our take profit. Means this is going to be our take profit, and we are ready to pull to the downside this trigger, because like look at this, like look, whenever previously what has happened, we came to this area and we bumped to the downside, we came to the area, we bumped to the downside. This is the only thing. Oh, okay. Okay, over here we came under this area. Okay, hold on. Okay. You see one pattern is getting formed over here. Whenever we are coming to this area from below, then we getting rejected. Whenever we coming to this area from under, then we getting rejected. But whenever we are coming to this area from the above, we getting rejected to the upside. Same exact thing happens right here. We coming back to the area, we getting rejected to the upside. We coming back to the area, we rejecting to the upside. We coming back to the area, we rejected to the upside. It can happen right here as well. Holy shit. This can happen, my dear brother. This can happen. Okay. Oh yeah, like this can happen, because like also in the world, this is the This is the area. Whenever we are above this area on the daily time frame, we're going up. Whenever we are above this area, we're going up. 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 Holy shit, this is looking strong area to me. That means in the 4 hours as well, pretty much. So should we consider this trade? Hmm, I don't like this trade then. And also, why in the world we haven't closed below these two candles? There is the buying pressure. And if we see on the technicals, let's bait on the technicals, okay? I believe the technicals is saying that it is going to go up. That means buy. Ooh, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Hmm. What? In a simple line, I don't know. Should I be interested in this? It will be a super high risk trade. You know what? Let's actually shortlist this trade and include this as the probability is low because of the reverse factor can happen and risk is extremely high. This is my this was my I was looking this as my number one trade. It's going to be my last option. Last option. Because of the market pattern which I saw over here. It's not good, not good. Also, one more thing is getting considered over here because whenever we are like this much a whole week thing and within a week it is can't go up and it can't go come down. I can get wrong, but I literally wanna get wrong so that I will be understanding the mistakes. Mm, what I want is right here retrace to area of interest. You know what? If I get the daily candlestick closure and then daily doji, I might enter. But we'll see, we'll see. I will not, I mean, no, I will never enter in this. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Weekly is bearish, daily is bearish as well. Yeah, it is also bearish, and the 4 hours is also bearish in the world. This was a beautiful trade just to take profit reason. It's just messed up the things. Okay, I believe I said it is going to go to the upside and it is not. It haven't gone up. It is in same place and now I believe as well it is going to go to the upside because it has created a beautiful morning star pattern and now we are ready to go to the upside. And would you look at this is daily have beautifully started to go into the upside. The 4 hours is about to shift the bullish. We started creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we are ready to go to the upside. This is going to get happen. I know about this. So, but this is going to be the very high risk trade, and I don't want to take the high risk because I'm just not interested to take the high risk trade. I'm just not. It's cap. I'm just not. Like this is the structure of the monthly time frame. We got the monthly bullish, which should go up to the upside, but we need to get the week to the downside. Yeah, we do feel the fair value gap. Now we're ready to go to the upside, brother. I mean, yeah, it can work, but it's a bit tricky. What I will want, see, like, if I wanted to buy this trade, I want this candle to close like this. Weekly candle to close like this above this area of interest. Then daily will also get bullish. We'll having the retrace, and then we will be buying the trade to the upside. This is what I will be waiting for. If I can miss this trade, in fact, I want this trade to get missed, and I will be completely okay even if I'm missing this trade. It's the exact same pattern is getting formed right there. It is going to pump to the upside. It's going to pump to the upside. It's not going to do it in a 1 week. It's going to, yeah, this is exact thing what I want, like exact thing. Oh my goodness, we are clearly creating the exact same thing. These two candles we have already created, a red and a dozy. You wanna see? Look at this. Oh my god, dude. It's getting literally printed right here. Look at this. It's not getting updated. We have literally created a red candle and the dozy over here. Exactly same, like let me just go previous. Red and the dozy. Now we just need the weekly engulfing candle to the upside. Once that happens, we'll take the next trade on the next week. Over here, we'll take the trade on this week to go to the upside. Same exact thing I'm really waiting for. I'm just not interested right now to take the trade. No, sir. Not you are not worth of my money and the time. We'll come back on the next week. Euro AUD. It just doesn't do what I said. I was waiting for the weekly retracement candle. Then we can have the bearish candle. That's literally I was waiting for, but it haven't done. That means we are literally having a very extremely selling pressure is coming around. A new monthly week has been started. This is the area. Let me just take this water, man. Look how smooth is working, man. Why in the world this haven't was working this smooth? Crazy, isn't it? To be honest, oh my goodness, my voice is about to change now. My voice is about to change yellow. Fuck. I speak a lot. I feel like that, but which I haven't. Okay, it started pumping the downside. I believe, believe of the sky. This is the area. Things are wicked. Now we're ready to go to the downside. But do this really? I don't know. Let's do it this. So, what I typically want is a retracement to this area of interest because we got one structure, we got two structure, and if we go back, we got the third structure as well. Above buying, under setting. Oh my god, oh my god, so not good. I mean, it's good, but it's not good. Weekly, daily is also bullish now. Daily is bearish. I would you like who in the people are over here where I was predicted this exact prediction and I took the trade right here and just because of Friday, yeah, is that a thing? Yeah, over here. Just because of Friday,
It's 18 hours.
we close the trade, and then on a Monday we just boom, we just gone and to take profit. This is so crazy, man. I was like, if I were not doing the things, if I were not even doing anything, I would end up making a lot more money than ever before. Seriously. So this guy is going to create the wick to the upside and then candle to the downside. I don't like this. I mean, I don't know and I need to see. But as per what I'm seeing, I just don't like this because on the monthly we do create the week. That's true, but it's just haven't came back to this area of interest even. Um, I mean, yeah, we can. Plus, we have already rejected this area, and you know, we got one, two, three. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we got that. We got one, two, three. Yeah, this is third. This is second. Looks good to me. I just want the price to come back to the area of interest. 4 hours will get bullish. You know what? I mean, yeah, this trade can work, but I'm just not interested. I am interested because it created a new structure down there. As per my checklist, it should come back from here to go to the downside. I don't know, man. I'm just not interested, yeah. It doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good. I want this candle to come over here. And I don't think so it is going to come because it will also going to make the 4 as well bullish. Messy things. Yeah. And also even if the take profit is like this, yeah, I mean, oh no, God. Then also we are trading on the lowest point of the weekly. Um, mm, don't know, yaar. It's messing up. You know what? Fuck off. GBP USD. Bola. Exactly that is the only reason I haven't took this trade. Because I don't know. Okay, now this is what I was waiting for on the this is what I want to do on the Euro USD. Would you look at this? The exact thing what I want on the Euro USD. I want the candlestick close above this structure on Euro USD. We are under this structure. So exact like this is getting matched, brother. I said Euro USD is going to go up, and now GBP USD is showing me signs that it is going to go up, which is like crazy connection in between these two. Let me just delete all of this and let's just start with the base. This is the structure I can able to see. If you can see, you see. If you don't, you don't. This looks solid to me. Solid to me. Wait, this is this. Oh, whew, so much. But the only thing is, there are so much obstacles is coming around. See, I will explain you what I'm actually waiting for right here. This is a lower low. This is a lower high. This is a lower low. This has created the higher high because we got a break of structure right here. Shift of structure, break of structure, change of category, whatever you want to say, you say. It is created the higher high, and I just don't want to buy the trade which is extremely high, and it is having the like it needs that retracement to at least somewhat right this. It needs that retracement to keep going up. It needs to create that new higher low to create new higher high. And this is what I'm getting shown up. This is what I'm getting shown up where we started with a very big push. We created doji, we created doji, we created doji. So it's just like ding 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 ding. It's very ready to go to downside. It just stop. It's just like very slow movement and then pim, like this. I'm just not interested. How about technicals? Yeah, look at this. Technical are bullshit. It's not even working. It should say the sell, do the sell, take the sell trade, my dear brother. It's not, dear brother. It's not. How about monthly? Ooh, brother, brother, brother. This thing, whatever I'm seeing, oh my just god, this is like crazy. I am going to avoid the loss if I were not this talented now, I would easily end up doing loss. Look at this. Look at this. If I'm going to show you, promise me you will not show anyone. Wait, should I show you first in the first place? That does make sense. There is a called fair value gap, the candlestick overlapping and whatnot. If you can see right here, there is the week next candle, is a big candle, and the next candle is a big is having the week overlapping to this previous candle. Like this week is overlapping to this candle. Sometimes we get, sometimes we don't. It's not like we will get all of the time. It's like this we didn't got. Hell, we fucking didn't got. So we got filled with this week. I'm just coming up with these things, and I know it's called like fair value gap, but I just wanna, I just wanna add this thing. Now this is also gap which just got filled. Now guess what? Like, can you able to see this thing which I'm able to see? This is a very fucking big gap. Look at this. This candle and this candle should monthly week to get overlap. We haven't created the overlapness. So this is means that it is going to come to downside, my dear brother. Also, and also we got created the sorry monthly engulfing candle, my dear brother. So it is continue to go to the upside, but every single monthly candle has the week. Even in fact, we just got small week right here, extreme small week right there. And guess what? To go to the upside, it needs to create the big healthy week. Right now we did create the week, but it's so small, it's not even make sense. I want this to create a big wick to the downside like this. Then it is ready to go to the upside. It also fill the gap and as well. So weekly time frame, if we just talk about this, that where the fuck hell it is. It is we just talk about like, oh my just goodness. That monthly time frame is going to come back to fill to create the wick to the downside. It is also getting exactly matched with my theory that we created the beautiful higher high, and now we are like we are about to have the fuel end up, and now we are at a place where we are going to retrace and then go to the upside. So that retracement procedure is going to create the monthly wick to the downside. It's getting so good in this, man. Oh my god. Should get an Oscar award for this. Oscar award should be done. So, which means I'm just fucking not interested in this currency. To just say this to you, I have invested my 15 to 20 minutes in this only GBP USD, which in fact we're not going to take this trade. Now, what about your UDJPY? It's just looking good. It is not absolutely, yes, it's looking like a solid, like anything. Oh, we got a problem right here, dear brother. We are so up. Sorry. We're so upside. It gonna need to create it. I don't know. We are up. I'm just going to take the sell trade because we are fucking up, you know. But we got the engulfing candle to the downside. Sorry, to the upside, we got the engulfing candle. Monthly candle is saying that we are ready to go to the upside, which is crazy, which is neat, which is shouldn't be the thing. We, yeah, to go to the upside, we got the overdue to, at least come back to the area of interest. Beautiful like this, and then push to the upside. We got that over too. So if this is going to come back to the area of interest, this like this, the week is going to get more. Am I interested in this? Yeah, I am interested. If you want me to look into it, I will look into it. Okay, so what I want is the price to come back to this area. That's all I want. If we got this, then we'll be continue to keep selling like this. Yeah, That looks awesome. You know, but if we didn't, then what? Holy shit, this is exact same pattern, yeah, like crazy. This is like crazy. We created this red candle, and now we are need to create a doji. Exactly. We created a red candle. Now we need to create a doji or some kind of candle. So we can take that advantage to take the sell trade right here from here. But the only thing is I'm just not liking it. The monthly, yeah, the monthly creates a engulfing candle, yeah. This is not good. So monthly is going to think so. If monthly wanna reverse, it will reverse like this, or it just create a doji. Um, yeah, it just engulfs. But if we got the reverse engulf, I don't know. I can just see that it is gone so on top. But the only one, I mean, yeah, we got the retracement to this area, and my throat is getting so much used. I'm just about to. We got a retracement. We're going to go up. That's a low probable retracement, but it is. Okay, so let's imagine if this is create a red candle to this. We create the wick to the upside. We creating this to the downside. Yeah, this looks solid. Let's take this trade. Yeah, I'm interested. So I want the price to come back to the area of interest like this, and pretty much shift of structure to the downside. That's what I want. If we got, we got. If we don't, we don't. It's counter trained trade, my dear brother. Counter trained trade. This probability of winning is not that high, but there is a trade. It's not like that. There is a trade. There is a trade, but it's a medium probability. It's not like yo, this shit is going to go down now. I saw the monthly weekly engulfing to the upside. That's the only thing which is turning me off. But we'll keep in line. What I want is a retracement to area of interest. Looking for sell. Probably it is medium as well. It's not like yo, it is going bro, it is going to go down. GJ, GJ. Beautiful. Look at this. It's going to go up. GJ is going to go up. GJ is going to go up. I believe in this. If GJ go up, AUD JPY go up, and everything messed up. GJ is going to go up like this. Are we gonna buy this? I don't know. I don't know. I don't wanna. It doesn't look good. I'm sorry.
It's 1815.
USD JPY, brother. Come back. Come back. Let's delete all of this. We monthly need to create a doge or some kind of mess around to at least create the higher low. So we can fluctuate in this area only. So we came back to this structure. Oh, like this. Yeah, this is this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, perfect. So we can buy this, but if we can, no, we can't. This bearish engulfing, I just can't buy. Sorry. And why in the world I'm not looking for taking the sell, because how in the world we can take the sell trade when there is a very high chances of buyers can come up and push the price to the upside. We are not on the top. We are not at top. We came back to retrace. Now we are ready to go to the upside. This is what I can able to see. But as a daily engulfing candle, I'm just like turn off, fuck off. Well, this does looks good to me. Let's delete every single thing. Let's delete, brother. Yeah, this is gonna pump down like anything. This just started, dear brother. This just started. Everything is looking good. Camera can do this. Yeah. This right there just started to move. It is gonna go to the downside. Yeah, looks beautiful to me. Like, yeah, this is gonna be my number one trade. Let me just see first. This is a beautiful area of interest. We can say this is the touch. Weekly bullish. Weekly not should be bullish. Div. Oh man. Oh man, this looks solid. This is going to be, yeah, my number one trade. Ready to execute this trade on Monday. Exactly what I need from this price. Let's put the time into this. Holy shit! Like whatever I'm predicting, nah, it is coming around. This is the price where it can come. Reject. Yeah, this is a price where it can come and reject because we have already done it in past. Squeeze a little bit. Yeah, exactly. Beautiful. Daily. Oh, we got a big fucking room over here. Alright, I'm ready to invest in this type of trades. I love this trade. This is what I this is what going to be number one trade right there. Weekly is bullish. This is a lower high. This is a lower low. We shift. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. Man. I'm just not able to speak now. Before before my voice just get off, please listen to what I'm saying. Okay, we literally, if this was a Monday or Tuesday, I would end up taking this trade. Like, this is crazy. We shift, we got retracement, we got liquidity grab. Boom. We are ready to go to the downside. We also have this beautiful rejection. Can I shorten this area of interest? Well, we can. One or two, and then oh, that was about to happen. 3, 4. We can we take this like this, and we can shift back. We can get this. Probably. Oh yeah, we can. I mean, yeah, we can. Why not? Oh yeah, why not? But I mean, yeah, we can actually. We can actually. We can. Yeah. About buying and selling. Like we can. Yeah, exactly. We can. I'm loving this Euro card. Let me shortlist. So weekly is bullish. Daily is higher low bearish. Daily is bearish, and the 4 hours is beautiful bearish. I'm ready to take this trade at 10:30. 10:30 a.m. entry on Monday. Waiting time 0 0 0 0. I'm looking for sell. Probability is high. This is the trade I'm waiting for. Now we got. Do we have the round psych level? Do we? Let's see. Oh, we got the round psych level. We rejected from the round psych level. Man, the recipe is going to get started. This is literally I'm waiting for. And oh man, we got the EMA of the weekly time frame. Beautiful. We got shift of structure engulfing doji of the rejection from the daily time frame. Beautiful. We got the rejection. We got the beautiful liquidity graph from the 4 hours time frame, and we got the engulfing. This is so. We got the liquidity grab and we got the instant engulfing to the downside, which means we just have taken a lot more stop losses and now we are ready to go to the downside. It is, and this is entered by the by the big guys. And guess what? We are under the EMA. This is like crazy thing. Okay. So on Monday, what is going to get happen? It is going to get retracement, and I'm just going to take the trade. Or on Monday, if it is going to, if it is will be, I don't know. If it is pushed downside, I will wait for the retracement somewhere over here, and then take the trade. If I got retracement, awesome. If I don't, I don't. Simple. Do not force the trade. Forcing the trade makes you lose, means makes you loss. This is my number one trade. Yeah, this is going to be number one trade. Number one trade. That's literally what I'm waiting for. We got the weekly in our hand. We got the daily in our side. We got the weekly in our side as well. Because whenever look at this, whenever we are like look at this. Whenever we are above we buying, and whenever we are under we sell like anything. Above we buying, and now we are under. So we should keep selling that down. Because whenever previously oh my whenever previously we came down to this area, we just keep selling. Now we came down to this area, we should be keep selling. There is very much, and the best part is there is a very much big room down there, that there is a, I hate the voice, I hate the background voices. Okay, there's very much big room we have to have the take profit. This is literally what the trade I was looking into. All other trades are going to get discarded, only this is going to trade I'm just going to focus into. We'll see the next currency. Holy shit, have I said GBP NZD. What the fuck I'm waiting for GBP in GBP NZD. Okay. Oh yeah, this was a Alex trade, and I just I haven't took the trade. I was just monitoring it. Like, why in the world he have took the trade which is so sideways? Like, look at this, sideways. I will never ever take this trade, ever, ever in my life. How about monthly? Oh, monthly have created the beautiful like, look at this. We got the shift of motherfucking structure, we got the retracement, we got the doji, and now we are ready to push to the downside. This is what is going to get happen. Next is the yeah, I can see what you can't guys can't able to see, man. This is brilliantly what I can able to see, which you can't able to see. Look at this. Look at this. This is the structure. Whenever we are under, we sell. Whenever we are under, we sell. Whenever we are above, we buy. And right now we are under. Oh my god. This John is gonna create the red candle down to like this. This is going to get happen. Am I going to take this trade? We'll see. We'll see. Only thing is the daily is bullish. We'll see. The 4 is also bullish as well. I think I saw this. Hold on. NZD. Oh man, this NZD, GP. Is this the thing? Oh, look at this. Exactly, like, because look at this. This is all both same currency. GBP over here and GBP over here. If GBP are going down, GBP NZD also going to go down. It is doesn't make sense. Like, this is crazy enough. This thing is going to go to downside, my dear brother. Just write it down if you're making the notes. This GBP NZD right now, tomorrow, in the next week, is just going to go to the downside, and this is what is going to get happen. I'm this confident in this trade, that I'm gonna clip this video 2 weeks after that I have predicted this exact move, that this thing is going to go to the downside. This is going to go to downside, and I'm also going to be more precisely. This is going to create like this. This right there is going to create like this exactly. But the only thing which I'm getting turned off because of the daily is bullish and the 4 hours is bullish, which is what is not making me sense. And also we got the sideways lot. I'm just not interested. In fact, euro cad is the best trade than GBP for me as of now, because at least we have two time frame in sync. In this case we just have only one time frame in sync, that is the weekly. That's fucking it. That's the only is it. Man, this looks solid, man. I'm gonna miss this trade, and I'm going to accept I'm gonna miss this trade. And I'm completely okay. If I were not be having Euro CAD now, I would end up taking this trade because it looks brilliant. What if we wanna take this trade? Just wait for the retracement. Come back to the EM. Come under the EMA. Wait for the coming under the EMA and then take the trade. I would end up taking this trade if I were not having the Euro CAD. Seriously, I would literally end up taking this trade. I repeat this. I would end up taking this John right here. But I'm not. I'm just not, because I just don't have the opportunity to take such type of non probable trade. You know, there is a high probable trade. High, this is also high probable, but this is this is over here. The high probable is started from here. It's just a starter. We need the high probable setup over here, because right here we just have the premium of taking three losing trades and then we're done. So I just don't want to take my losing trade in a currency which is bit sideways. A lot big wicks are getting created, and also daily is bullish and 4 hours is bullish. All the time frame are up bullish, which is saying that most of the time frame is going to go up, which is not good. But the monthly time frame is saying that it is going to go down, which is good. So I don't know. I'm just not going to take this trade. I mean, it looks brilliant, yeah. This looks solid, but I just don't wanna. No, I'm just getting a hands off me. I just don't wanna. I just don't wanna. I just don't wanna. I'm okay for missing that trade because we have a GBP Euro CAD. Beautiful, like clean break. GBP NZD messed up. Fucking messed up. I don't wanna take this trade. AUD USD, I said it is gonna create the red candle, then it is going to create the blue candle. It didn't turn that, but it just gone up. Oh, look at this. It created both of the candle in the same week. I wanted to, it's going to come down, which if I delete it literally came down and then it's gone up. Getting good in prediction. Getting good in prediction. I'm not interested. USD CAD. Holy shit, what the fuck is happening? It's gonna pump to downside, I think so. Yeah.
It's 18:30.
Yeah, brother, this is going to pump to downside and it is gonna pump like anything. Am I interested? We'll look at this. This, oh my. Hold on. I'm gonna clip this trade as well, because whatever I said, it has happened to the perfection and it is going to keep happening, because the first thing, this is the CAD currency, and I'm saying that this CAD is going to go down because we got the weekly engulfing. We are under the monthly engulfing, monthly EMA as well. Weekly we are closed below this structure. Whenever we are above, we buying blah 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 blah, and the daily we just shifted bearish. Oh my goodness, this is like crazy. So I'm predicting that this market is going to go down, and guess what, this is a CAD and this is also CAD. If this CAD currency is going to go down, this CAD currency is also going to go down. Crazy. That means our prediction is getting correct by other different currencies as getting confirm our prediction. But this is the CAD and this is fucking sideways, fucking messed up. I'm just going to take the clear CAD currency trade. Euro CAD looks more cleaner, more entrained than than USD CAD. It's pretty much literally is it. But I believe this is going to create the red candle to the downside. It's gonna I'm gonna clip this video. I'm just so much confidence in this now. I'm gonna clip this video. I'm just going to, hey brother, I'm gonna fucking told you that this is going to go to downside because I said Euro CAD. This is going to go to downside. I'm going to take this trade for sure. But Euro CAD is pretty looking clean and trendy, and USD CAD is bit sideways. That is the only reason I have choosing Euro CAD over Euro USD CAD. That's literally is it. I'm not interested in this, but the prediction is going to go to downside. I'm just not interested. Thank you for your service. Oh, wait a minute. Before we go, what a technical is saying. Hey, I think the technical is saying strong sell. Ooh, ooh, we got the sell. It should be strong sell, but we got a sell. That means technicals are also getting in line. I love the trade. I love this trade. EuroCAD coming in hot. USD CAD is done. CHF JPY. It's fucking sideways. What the fuck is this? Like, what the fuck is this? Is this even a trend? Is this even a considered as like a trend? This I believe this gonna come so down like anything. You know why? Also monthly time frame just got okay. Now I know I need, yeah, monthly time frame just stop. It just stop, brother. It needs this retracement. It's gonna come down, and I believe this is going to come down. Just stops. I am not interested. Sorry. Euro NZD. Oh, look at this. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? Look at this. Look at this. Monthly. Okay, I know what is going to happen, my dear brother. This is the structure, and the monthly has created a beautiful red candle. Now it is going to keep continuing to create the red candle. It is the norm. Yeah, it's going to create this, but the only issue is this is going to create the weak upside and then push to the downside, or it is going to go down from here only. It is not even making sense. I just don't wanna invest my time in this. I'm not interested. UD and ZD, what the fuck? I'm just not interested. And ZD CAD, not. Oh my goodness. I just don't wanna see this currency. And ZD is it's not even making sense. So only and only currency which I'm interested in, that is the Euro CAD. Just interest. Rest of the currencies NZD JPY, not interested. Instantly remove. GBP odd looks good as well. Let's keep GBP odd as a tomorrow's trade because it looks good. If like in certain way, if market opens, okay, if market opens and it just hit to my take profit and we just missed the trade, this GBP odd is going to be my next second trade. It's just a backup trade. We can talk about backup. Okay, Euro GBP. Yeah, I'm interested, but you know, it has this obstacle. Not interested. Challa. AUD JPY. Challa. Not interested. So only two currencies I'm interested in. This is a so pure, so cleaner, and so good is this. Chan, Chan, Chan. But it can also do this. That just this is the higher this is the higher learn. It can go up. Can it? Will be. We'll see. I don't believe this is going to go up. Just don't. Why in the world it will go up? Is this has the retracement? Is this has the structure over here on a monthly time frame? It is not. Then why in the world it will go up? Why? Over here, whenever we are above this line, we go up. Under this line, we go down. So right now we are under. We close under. We shouldn't go down. Weekly time frame. We close below this box. If it wanted to go to the upside, it should create the week and close to the upside. We have closed under the EMA under this two box. It gonna need to go to the downside. I'm just interested this to guys to take the sell trade. I'm just not. I'm just interested in this. That's very much it. It can do like this, and I will be okay because this can happen. Like it's all about cannot, but you know, we're doing our best to predict the market. This looks brilliant to me. Now this thing is turning like just whacking me up. Only one thing that this can have this push. Low, 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 higher, low, higher, higher, low, higher. Boom. But I still believe it is going to go to downside, which is what we are going to take the sell trade. Which is what we are going to take the sell trade. But why in the world it is going to go to downside? Like why? Like what has happened? Because we started retracement towards the downside. It's come. I have the heart attack right now. Started going to downside. Even this is the bullish higher high, higher low. We close below the CMA, below this two box, and now we are ready to go to the downside. You know why? Because under whenever we are under this, we go to the downside. Under this, we go to the downside. That's it. That's pretty much it. Jesus. Why in the world? I'm just feeling some weird feeling. Okay, I am ready to take this sell trade. Yeah, I mean, if it wanted to create this will be the higher line. This wanted to create the higher high. It would never ever end up closing this under the EMA and under this box and under these two lines. So it is very high chances that it is going to go to the downside. So I'm just betting on this. So EuroCAD, I'm good. So I'm just going to go in with this. EuroCAD, I like you. We're going to be a partner. GBP odd. What the fuck is this? Bearish. Oh wait. GBP odd is my lastest trade. Like last. We got the two time frame in sync. Only one time frame. Yeah, we got only one time frame. It is okay. It's not that much focused on. I'm just focused on EuroCAD. This literally is it. So this is it. This is it. Fucking it. So now, brother, we have successfully finished the third section. Now let's head towards the fourth section before we do. I can literally feel the water comes from here to here. And it just vanishes somewhere here. I'm a crazy guy. Get used to it. Alright, alright. So let's start with section 4th, the summary. Which trades I'm going to look into, why I'm going to look into, what I'm looking into that trades. So, EuroCAD, brother. Okay, we need it. Yeah. So I am. Oh yeah. So I am actually in EuroCAD. I'm waiting for the market to get open. Create the weekly new candle is going to get start, right? So it needs to create the weekly week to the upside, and it is going to go to the downside. Until that week is get created, I'm just not interested. So I'm just pretty much, I think so we can say safely that I'm waiting for the little bit of retracement and then push to downside. I'm gonna take the sell trade right here. Before taking the sell trade, I'm just going to go back to the weekly time frame and we'll see that does weekly candlestick has created the upside week which is need to be done like this, like this. I just want the weekly candlestick to create the line to the upside like this over here. If that is done and we got our entry signal, I'm just going all in over here. I'm gonna risk whatever I want. I'm gonna risk like this, keeping the stop loss like this and having a take profit like this. Oh, this looks solid to me. This is the Euro CAD, the first currency which I'm actually looking into. Second is now there can be a point where I didn't got my entry signal and the trade I didn't got the entry signal, so I went took the trade and this trade just gone up. Can happen, brother. Anything can happen. Whatever it is happen, it happens. So I if I don't get an entry in this Euro CAD, I will take the entry. If I got the entry, then I will take the entry in a GBP odd. That's literally is it. In GBP odd, yeah, GBP odd extremely high risk rate. The winning chances is only 40% because we only have the weekly time frame, only bearish, only weekly. And we need at least 4 hours or the daily time frame, but we just don't have that. Still, if we miss a trade in EuroCAD, I will take the trade if I got in a GBP odd. If to take the trade in GBP odd, I want the price to come back to the area of entry, test to this EMA, then push to the downside. But this is extremely high risk trade. I'm just not focused into it. If I miss the trade on EuroCAD, only and only then I will be interested to take the trade on GBP odd. I will never ever take the both ever. And I'm not going to take the both of the trade because that is not making sense. It's this trade is a backup currency. This trade is a main currency. So yeah, this is what the section 4 looks like. This is the whole summary of the section 4. This is the this and we are coming to
It's 1845.
so we are coming to end of the Sunday swings of the 4 May to 8 May. Now the point is, are we going to make money or are we going to lose money? So we just have $300 remaining from our $100,000 account. Pretty much we are right now 7,700 down. So 8, 9, 10, only $300 are remaining. So I'm gonna risk only $100 until we build the little bit cushion. I'm going to use the $100 million challenge exact formula, exact structure to come back from the hole which I've dug from me. But not now. Not absolutely not now. I need to do the practice and then we can go for that. Alright boy, this is the end of this Sunday swings. Signing off. Have a losing trading week because as a professional trader we never come in the market to make money. We come in market to execute our trading plan. And if that trading plan makes money, awesome. But if that trading plan lose money, short period of time. Awesome. That's what we want. We never come to the market to make money. That's what your goal should also be. Signing off, have a wonderful day. Peace. I'm just gonna close this now. I talk a lot.